Okay, listen. To mark a perpendicular line for a line, look at here. To draw any perpendicular line, what you are doing, using the compass, keep the needle here, keeping the needle in this position, mark the arc both the sides, right?
Yeah.
Then keep the needle here. Take some distance more than this much distance, and mark the arc here. The same distance without changing, keep the needle here and mark it. These 2 points, if you are connecting, that definitely will be perpendicular to that line. Understand?
Yeah.
Like this, you have to make a perpendicular between that. So the first time I showed you how to do that first part, right?
Yeah.
After that, now we are using protractor only to proceed this.
Yeah. Otherwise, ma'am, if they tell in the school to do like this for all the lines, we have to do like that.
Like that only. Just extend and make a perpendicular line, but they will tell you to use the protractor for this all the places.
Wait, ma'am, I didn't understand how you got root 4.
See, what is root 4? Root 4 is root of root 3 square. What is root 3 square?
2, wait, root 2 the whole square.
Root 3 into root 3.
3. Okay.
Root 3 into root 3 is 3. Yesterday's notes it is plus 1. So 3 plus 1, 4. Right? You have to get 4. So now, according to this diagram, right, the base is root 3 and this is 1 unit. So this will make root 4, correct? Because root 3 square plus 1 square is root 4. Got it? That's what everywhere we are making right triangle. Understood? Everywhere we are making right triangle.
Ma'am, C to E and E to F are the same measurement?
Yes, 1 unit. Everywhere 1 unit only we are continuing. This is 1 unit. This is 1 unit. Here 1 unit. The same unit we are continuing here. Right? 1 unit to make this right triangle. Understood? The base is the other line. Understood? So here also use perpendicular line. So almost it will be like this. Right? It is a perpendicular line here.
Which one?
Then again mark 1 unit and connect this. So that will become
Root 5.
root 5, right?
Yeah.
Proceed the same. Perpendicular line, 1 unit, like that you have to proceed. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you have to get the picture like where is it? You have to get a picture like this, finally. Okay, now you proceed this in home. Okay, leave the space because using the protractor or everything you are just sharing and it is taking time. So we'll do this in home. You complete like this. Classroom activity. Now I am proceeding further. So look at your root 2 number line. How to proceed? Root 3 number line. Root 5 you can do by 2 square plus 1. Isn't it?
Yeah.
How to proceed? This is for the activity. This is also root 5. Root 5 you got it from where? Here. How you got root 5 here? Actually root 5 you got as root 4 the whole square plus 1. Right? That's you got. Directly if they are asking to do only root 5. Root 5 you can do like root of 2 square plus 1, right? 2 square plus 1 square. That means by making 2 unit here, 1 unit here and connect, this is 2 unit, 1 unit, so it will become root 5, correct? Understood? So how you can do that? That at least you do for making a root 5 separately. That is, draw a line, mark A and measure two units, like, so I am considering 2 centimeter for 1 unit. So this is 2 unit, right? Considering, so mark both the points. Let it be, this is B, this is C, to just to show you.
Mom, that is 1 unit. That is 1 unit.
Yes,
One
this
unit,
is
2 centimeter.
1 unit, 1 unit. So just to elaborate the picture. Same units, it can be 2 centimeter or whatever it is. Same units. Now draw the perpendicular line at C. Use the compass to draw the perpendicular line at C. If you don't have compass, do with the protractor. Right? Now the same 1 unit what you have measured, that you have to use a compass and arc. Draw the arc. Right? Then connect. This is your D. Connect A to D. So this is your 1 unit. So this is root 5. Now this arc you have to bring, make it E. So AD,
This,
which is equal to AE, which is equal to root 5. This is how you have to complete.
Mom, for making this one here, Mom, we can take any measurement or
Yeah, any measurement. This is supposed to be perpendicular. Any measure and keep the needle in that arc and little extend that. And the same distance you have to draw, okay? Actually, you need the flat surface to use the geometry. Got it? The notebook is with thick cover, it will be good, or use this.
It's okay.
State whether the following statements are true or false. Justify your answer. Every irrational number is real number?
No. Yes.
Rational numbers and irrational number together, it is called real number, right?
Yeah.
Is it? So every irrational number is a
Real number.
real number. From inside, whatever it is there, everything belongs to that family. Outside, these are all are not real numbers, correct? These are all not irrational numbers, right?
Yeah.
Every irrational numbers are real number, but outside this, all the real numbers are not irrational number. Irrational numbers, okay. So every irrational number is real number. Yes, true. Every point on the number line is in the form of root m, where m is a natural number. Yes or no? Think and tell me. Every point on the number line is in the form of root m. Okay, let it be. If this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is. Everything you can mention as it is root 1, root 2, root 3, root 4. All the numbers also there. Root 4 is nothing but 2. This is 2. Root 3 and root 2 and all now we draw, right?
Yeah.
So every point you can mention like this. Root 4 is nothing but 2. Root 1 is nothing but 1. You will get the answer for that also 1. So like this you will get answer for everything. Okay. But the thing is, m is a natural number. That means root of 9.3 will not be there in the number line. That is also there in the number line. Okay, m is natural number is wrong here. Actually, we have the statement, that one. See, the blocked, what is that? Every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. Also, every point on the number represents a unique real number. It is not natural number. It is a real number. In the number line is real number line. That's what they have given. But whether you can represent all the values in terms of root, yes, perfect square numbers, right? Perfect square numbers, root 9 is 3, root 4 is 2. So all numbers you can say like that. Understood? So other numbers will become non-perfect square numbers. The other non-perfect square numbers also you can represent now, we have given here. Anyway, every square roots of all positive integers irrational?
No.
Because root 4 is not irrational. Every square roots of all positive integers they are asking about, only positive integers. And the root m form, you can't represent the negative numbers in terms of root m, correct? That will become imaginary numbers. In real number line, it will not come. So that is also another reason. And here, are the square roots of all positive integers irrational? No, root 4 is 2, that is real. Root 5 is only irrational. Root 9 is 3, it is real. Understand? Plus or minus 3, whatever it is. So, this is also what? If not, give an example for the square root of the number line is a rational. These are all the rational example. Okay, it is false. And the examples for why it is false are these two. Clear?
Yeah.
This is a classroom activity, as I told. A real number and their decimal expansions, I will call it. Just copy this, I'll come.
Which one?
So, after dividing this all expressions, decimal expansion of 10 by 3, you are getting like a non-repeating decimal expansions for all the 3. And here you got it is finished. 7 by 8 is terminating decimal expansion. And this is also non-repeating decimal expansion.
Ma'am, 3.33 is it's like recurring and non-terminating and non-recurring, or no, it's terminating and recurring, right?
3.33 is
Terminating
non-terminating, right?
Yeah, no, terminating means stop.
Stop. It is non-terminating
And recurring.
Non-terminating recurring, right?
Yeah.
But this is terminating. That the other one also non-terminating recurring. Okay, now look at these points. The reminders, what are the things we notice? The reminders either become 0 after certain stage. Reminder either becoming 0. So here,
Yeah.
after certain stage, or start repeating themselves, like, or it is again starting with the same number, right? After certain stage, it is repeating. This is because it's rational number. But irrational, it will not be like this. It will keep on repeat. So 0 will never come. That is called irrational number. Or the repeated number will not come. Since it is a rational number, either it will reach with 0 or start repeating themselves. The number of entries in the repeating string of reminder is less than the divisor. What is the meaning of this? Number of entries in the repeating string. Repeating string. Like 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this number of digits definitely will be lesser than this. Lesser than the divisor. So 7 is there. So the repeating string is 6. So here 3 is the divisor. It is only 1. It can be 0, 1, 2 till 3. So now lesser than 1. So the number of digits in the repeating string should be lesser than the divisor. Okay, that also we observed from this. That's what they have given. If the remainder repeat, then we get a repeating block of digits in the quotient. 3 repeats in the quotient for 1 by. So for 1 by 3, 3 repeats in the quotient. And for 1 by 7, we get the repeating block 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7 in the quotient. That's what I have explained here, right? There is one number is repeating here, that 6 numbers is repeating. It is lesser than our divisor. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay? Just you're explaining about the whole thing. Now, any numbers representing in the form of P by Q. This is very, very important. How you will represent this number in the P by Q form? 3.142678, whether it is terminated or non-terminated. Terminated rational number. How you will write this in the P by Q form? Yes. Okay. How you will represent 2.5 in the P by Q form?
25 by 10.
Yes, just. You will directly write this as 25 by 10. Right?
Yeah.
That is nothing but 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5, right?
Yeah.
So here, how many decimal points are there? That much 0 supposed to be in that. So it is 3, 1, 4, 2, 6, 7, 8. Very good, you are right. Divide by 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is the P by Q form of that, correct?
Yeah.
An important message you will get from this. If the denominator in the P by Q form, the denominator you can factorizing the prime factors. After prime factoring, if you are getting only 2 and 5 in the denominator, then the P by Q will be decimal, terminating decimal expansion. In the P by Q form, any number given in P by Q form. Okay, suppose if it is 3 by 10, you can say it is easily it is 0.3. Decimal expansion is terminated. Whether it is terminated or not, how you will identify? Instead of dividing the whole thing, just you can identify by, look at here, it is 7 by 8, right?
Yeah.
So what is the denominator?
8.
If you it is 2 cube, correct?
Yeah.
So if your denominator having only 2 and 5 combinations, it should not be any other prime factors. Only 2 and 5 combination or 2 or 5. Either 2 or 5 or 2 or 5. 2 and 5 combinations. 2 and 5 combinations. Only these prime factors should be there in the denominator. That means that P by Q is terminated decimal expansion. Okay, that P by Q has terminated decimal expansion. So look at here, it is 1 by 3. It is 3. Denominator is 3, not 2 or 5. So it is non-terminating. Here also it is 1 by 7. It is not 2 or 5. It is non-terminating. So instead of dividing the whole thing, just by prime factorizing the Q denominator, you can identify whether it is terminating or non-terminating. For your information, that is your 10th standard portion. How easily you can identify. What I said is 10th standard topic, first chapter. Okay. Anyway, that is just extra information for you. Now, I hope it's 10th standard. It's not here. Let it see. Anyway. And now, where we are? Now, how to represent any that non-terminating number in the P by Q form. Okay. For example, this is important question, what I am going to teach you now. Very important. Represent 0.333 in the form of P by Q, in P by Q form. Okay. Before the previous question is terminated decimal. Terminated decimal 2.346. How you will represent? Directly you will write 2.346 46 divided by 1000. You can write like this. But non-terminating number, what to do? The first thing, first consider that with the variable. Let x is equal to 0.3 bar. Correct? Let x be there. Now the 3 bar, no, this you have to remove from the number. Understand? The bar thing you have to remove. So what you can do, multiply this by 10 in both the sides. When you multiply, where the dot will go? The dot will go to the right hand side. So it will become 3.3 bar. Is it? Multiplying by 10 both the sides?
Yeah.
Both the sides. So this is equation 1. The equation 1 multiplied by 10. So it is becoming like this. This is equation 2. Okay. Now subtract both. That is 2 minus 1. Subtract. So what is 10 minus 1x? 10x minus 1x is 9x. So 3.3 bar minus 0.3 bar. So the bar get cancelled, right?
Yeah.
Subtracting. Only 3 will be there. So 3. So now what is x? It is 3 by 9. That is nothing but 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is 0.333, right?
Yeah.
So how you can represent in the P by Q form? Like this way. Got it? So finally you have to write 0.3 bar is equal to 1 by 3. In my daughter's school, she stopped here. Teacher cut half mark for that. When she stopped here, that means x is 1 by 3 she got. Again she has to bring 0.333 is 1 by 3. For not writing this step, she cut half mark. For 2 more question. Yeah. So complete it. You are representing this as it's understood. Let x is this already they have given. So it is understood. Yeah. Got it?
Ma'am, then on each side we have to subtract by.
No, each side. Equation 2 subtract equation 1. 2 minus 1. So 10x,
x is
left
1.
hand side and right hand side both you have to subtract. So what is 10x minus 1x?
9x.
And the left hand side, second line you are subtracting the first line. Understood?
Just wondered how did we get that 10x?
By multiplying 10 both the sides.
Okay.
Here I wrote no equation 1 multiplying by 10 you are getting 10x and there 3.3 bar. Correct? One more example will do. So now the next question is 2.54 bar. So next is 2.54 bar in P by Q form. Correct? So what you will do? Let x is equal to 2.54 the bar. The bar is for 5 and 4. So that is here.
Here it will come.
How direct is? Two nines are 18. What is remaining? 72. Yeah.
18 by 11.
No, 9 table. 2 nines are 18. The remaining 7, 72, 8, 28 by 11. So that is the P by Q form for 2.54. So 2.54 bar is equal to 28 by 11. From this chapter, this is important question coming for exam. This topic. So far, whatever you have learned is just a theory knowledge, right?
Yeah.
This is the real question from this. So another example. Excuse me. 7.312 bar. Same like the previous question. Can you complete? With what you will multiply?
1000.
Very good. Subtract separately, write and subtract. 712 minus 7.
So like this.
705. Check properly. There is 4-digit number. Just subtracting 7, you will get 3-digit number. Why rubbing everything? Here do separately. 7,312 minus
245 and 333.
245. Why only 3-digit number? My dear, 4-digit number, subtracting 7 from 4-digit number, it will become 3-digit number. What's wrong with you all?
7305.
7312 minus 7, you don't know how to do, children. Got it?
So while doing like this 7312 minus 7.3 into, we'll get decimal, right?
Shobha. Why? Where is the first one number? The 3.12 bar is where? Look at that. Where is that bar kind of thing? Understood?
2435 by 3.
You can do by 3 table. Question number 4. Just 3 table you can cancel. How many times? 3 times. This all 3 together only you should do. 2 3s are 6. Remaining 1. 4 3s are 12. 4. 3 times 9. 5 times. 5 3s are 15. Next question. Now look at this. Suppose if it is x is 2.35 bar. The bar is only for 5. Now the right hand side you are going to get mixed number. The bar is end. What is the meaning of this actually? 2.3, then 555 is coming. Understand? So now what you have to do, only the bar thing you have to keep it in the right side. Our aim is to remove the bar from there. Okay. So what you
should
suppose?
be on the after decimal.
Yeah, the after dot. After dot only bar. Like that you have to make it so easily you can subtract. So now the first equation is with the mixed of values, right? The first equation is with the mixed of values. So you can't use that for your calculation purpose because that is 3 and 5 are there. The bar and non-bar values are there, right? So now what I am doing, first I am removing that normal number to this side by multiplying 10. It will become 23.5 bar. Okay, let this is your second equation. Now you proceed the same procedure what you have done before. So again one more time multiplying by 10, it will become 100x. So it will become 235.5 bar, right?
Yeah.
So that is second equation I multiplied by 10. Okay, you are getting this. Now subtract. Third equation minus second equation, subtract. It will become 90x, which is equal to 5 minus 2, 235 minus 23, correct? Because 5 bar get cancelled. So this is 5 minus 3, 2, 1, 212 you will get. So x is equal to 212 by 90. Okay, because both are even number, it will go in 2 table. So the thing is, first I am removing all the non-bar number to the left side of the dot and keeping, so that I am not using for the calculation purpose. So I need at least 2 equations to subtract and get, right?
Yeah.
So that is why first one with removing that. Then one more time I am doing to remove that bar kind of thing for subtraction purpose. Got it? What's your mark? Form and say what kind of decimal expansion each has, whether terminating decimal expansion or non-terminating decimal expansions.
divide.
By dividing, you have to check. As I told you, you can say what about the first one without divide. Don't do now. I have given you already one clue.
0.3,
The 10th standard clue we will use and we will do. Actually, as per 9th standard, you are going to divide and check the answer.
Yeah.
But now shall we use the 10th standard concept without dividing? Without dividing concept, what is that? The denominator what you are getting is 2 into 5, 10. It is 2 into 5.
20 into 5 or 2 into 50, like that.
So it is, how many 2's are there?
1, 2, no. 2 2's and 2 5's. Yeah, 2 2's and 2
50,
5's.
50 again, yeah.
2 2's and 2 5's.
Yes, it is 2 square and 5 square, correct? So it is only with 2 and 5. So this is terminating decimal expansion.
Yeah.
It is terminating decimal. Got it? And next one, 11. Non-terminating decimal because there is no 2 or 5. 8. Only 2.
Yeah.
So it is terminating decimal. This is 13. Non-terminating decimal. 11. Non-terminating decimal. 400. It is with only 2 and 5. So it is terminating decimal. Easy, right? Understood? The denominator you have to check. So denominator, suppose if you are getting any other number with the numerator, whether it is getting cancelled or not, you have to check. Finally, after reducing, you have to get only 2 and 5 combinations. Okay. Now that is not our portion.
That improper, ma'am, if you 4 into 8, 32.
Plus 1.
5 by 32.
32 plus 1. So it will become 33 by 8.
Okay.
So denominator anyway 8 only, right? Okay. So this you have to do by long division method only. Got it? That is homework. These all questions complete and come. Now,
You'll send this picture, ma'am, or we have to write down the question, ma'am?
I'll send you the pictures. I'll send you the picture. Question number 2. 1 by 7 already we have done.
Yeah.
That they have given also. 1 by 7 is this. We did, right? Can you predict what the decimal expansion of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7? 2 into 1 by 7 is 2 by 7, right?
Yeah. So
Right.
2 multiplied by the quotient, you will get the.
This is the question. By multiplying by 2. But it is not only like that. You have one, have you done the decimal? Okay, I'll show you here. They're asking what is 2 by 7, right?
Yeah.
Look at here. Where you are getting 2 as a remainder, here you are getting 2 as remainder. So here onwards you are dividing 2 by 7, correct?
Yes.
So what is your first quotient here? It is starting from 2.
8, 5.
2. So your answer going to be 0.285714. That will be the answer for 2 by 7. The digits will repeat, going like a chain. Okay, going like chain. So here onwards you will get the answer from here and repeat 1 4 again, because it's going to be like this, right?
So 285, then 1
Till 1 4.
bar.
Till this 1 4. This is for the answer for 2 by 7, 0.285714. And next question is 3 by 7. So 3 by 7, what will be your answer? Here. 3 is the remainder here. So it is going to be from 0.428571 bar. Understood? You didn't get. So what is the remainder you are getting here? Here remainder 3. So 3 you are dividing by 7, right?
Yeah.
So what is the quotient starting from here? 4 7s are 28. So it is starting from here.
Yeah.
So this is the number going to repeat hereafter. So 4 onwards you have to write everything. Understood? So here it is. This is what the number repeating. Is it?
This is 1.
Yeah.
After 7 again what will come?
This is the second.
1 4 2 8 5 7 will come. Correct?
Yeah.
This number is repeating. It is repeating. Now 3 by 7 means for 3 what is the first quotient will start? 4 7s are 28. Right?
Yeah.
4. So here onwards what is the next number coming till 4? So till this is your answer.
You get this, no?
For this answer is
So it will keep
0.42857. This is only going to
So it will
continue.
keep continuing.
This is only going to continue, right?
Yeah.
If it is 2 by 7, the quotient starting from 2. 285714. Till next 2 comes, you have to tell the answer.
Okay.
You understood that? No.
So what is 6 by 7?
Both you didn't understand.
Hello, what is 6 by 7?
Ma'am.
56. So 8 onwards it should start, right?
Yeah, 8, 5, 7.
857142. This is your answer.
Okay.
So what will be 4 by 7 answer? 5 onwards starting. Because 5 7s are 35. So it should start from 571428. Till next 5 comes, you have to proceed. So what is 5 by 7? 7 7s are 49. So 714285. Clear? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is one the answer. You can check by multiplying that also. Check whether you are getting the same answer by multiplying. You got 1 by 7 is 0.142857 bar, right? So what is 2 by 7? Multiply by 2.
Ma'am, you will get something more.
You are not getting.
Yeah.
You are not getting. Don't do that. Okay, so this is the way you have to get the answer. You are getting by dividing. By dividing, the digits will repeat in this way.
Ma'am, in
Okay.
exam also we can do like this. Or
Yeah, it's a prediction question. It is not, you are not doing actual division. You are not doing actual division for this question. They are asking how to predict. Study the reminders while finding the value of 1 by 7 carefully. So by seeing the remainder only, what the logic I have given, by that you are doing, so there is no steps for that. That is automatically you will write. So the answer for this directly you can write 2 by 7 is, it is 20 means 2 7s are 14. So it will start from 2. So start from 2, that will be your answer. That means 0.285714 bar, right? Write the answers. So you are predicting like this. 3 by 7. So 30. How many times 7? 4 7s are 28, right?
Yeah.
So first identify only the first number quotient and start from that. 428571. So what is next? What is 4 by 7? 40. 5 sevens are 35. 5 7. So it will become 5 7 1 4 2 8. Right?
Yeah.
Next, what is 5 by 7? 50. 7 sevens are 49. So 0.71428. Then what is 6 by 7?
No. Instead of writing all this 1 4 2 8 5 7, we just have till 1 4 we can write and then write bar.
Huh?
Here this is what 2 by 7 1. You will get till this much, right?
No.
Yeah, like more will be there, no?
No, you have to get all the 6 digits.
Okay. So
All
2,
the
8,
6
5, 7,
digits.
1, 4 bar
Again,
we can
till
directly-
you get the 4, you have to write.
Yeah. So we can write directly bar over here, or we have to write the rest and then.
What I have written, like that you should write. The bar is writing means you should not repeat again and again. And what is repeating, for that only you have to give bar. See, for example, if you are writing 2.3333, keep on going. It is 2.3 bar you can write, or 2.33, then you are writing bar here. No problem. This 3 is only repeating.
Yeah.
Understand? But if you are repeating means bar, you have to stop it properly. Only that much you have to write. Okay, 6 by 7. 6 by 7 means 60. 7. How many times? 8 times.
856.
8 times 56. So the number will start from 8. You have the pair of values. So 8,
8 5 7
1 4, 2. Understood?
Yeah.
You are going in the same order. You no need to do long division again. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
This is how you have to write the answer in this. Okay? We'll complete the third question also, then you can go. So what are the number? 0.
6 by 10.
Hmm?
6 by 10. 6 by 7.
6 bar it is.
Which question is third?
Third question, 6 bar. What we have done so far, like that you have to proceed. Can you please note down all this? We'll do that. 0.6 bar, 0.47 bar, this. Write all the questions. Only write the questions first. 0.6 bar, first question.
6 bar. Okay. Then
Next 0.47 bar, 7 only bar. Third one is 0.001 and the whole bar. 001 the whole bar. Yeah. Keep it. This all the questions we are going to express the following in the form of P by Q.
Same way we did before.
Yeah. Question number 3 in exercise number. What is the exercise number?
1.3. 1.3.
In the form of P by Q. What is the first question?
2 by 3.
0.6.
0.6 bar.
So x is equal to 0.6 bar. Equation 1. What is next step?
10.
Rayan?
10x.
Very good. 1 into 10. Multiply by 10. So 10x is equal to 6.6 bar. That is equation 2. Now next what you supposed to? 2 minus 1. So it will become 9x is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 by 9. It is nothing but 2 by 3. So 0.6 bar is nothing but 2 by 3, not 6 by 10. Okay? 6 by 10 is 3 by 5. It is 2 by 3. Next one. What is the next question?
0.47. Only 7.
7 bar. Only 7 bar. So what you can do, the first 4 you can remove, right? So what is the first step?
4.7 bar.
1 into 10.
Yeah.
What it will be?
10x
10x is equal to 4.7 bar. That is equation 2. So what is next again? 2 equation multiply again by 10. It will become 100x is 47.7 bar. Very good. Now subtract 3 minus 2.
90x equal to
90x
43.
is equal to 43. So x is equal to 43 by 90. 43 is a prime number, you can stop like this. Right?
Yeah.
So what is the third question?
0.001 the whole bar.
So what you supposed to do first one? First
Multiplied by 1000.
equation 1 multiply by 1000, it will become 1000x is equal to 1.
0.001.
Very good. 1.001 bar. Because the 001 again repeating, right?
Yeah.
Actually, it is nothing but 0.001, 001, 001. It will keep on go like that, right? So this is your second equation. Now you can directly subtract, right?
Yeah.
2 minus 1, because it's not mixed of bar and not bar numbers. So what is 1000x minus 1x?
99x.
999x, which is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 999. That is what actually 0.001 bar. Right?
Yeah.
If it is 1 by 1000, it is 0.001 only, terminating. Right?
Yes.
It is not 1000, it is keep on repeating because it is 1 by 999. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
These are non-terminating rational numbers. Okay, so what is definition for the irrational?
Recurrent numbers which do not repeat. Non-terminating and non-recurring.
Non-terminating and also non-recurring only irrational. These are all non-terminating but recurring. So these are all rational numbers. So irrational number means it can be 0.0012, 0.1314, something it will come. Right? And it is non-terminating, non-recurring. There will not be no repeating number. That is called this. So if you divide 22 by 7 and check, there will be keep on going. So much of decimals are there for that. Right?
Yeah.
It is irrational number. It will never repeat. It's something you will get another numbers.
That one is 22 by 7 is 3.14, right?
Approximately 3.14. We are stopping with 2 decimals. It will go more than that also. Okay? Infinite numbers are there actually after that. That's why it is irrational. Even in 10 decimals, in 20 decimals, if it is terminating, that is rational.
Yeah.
It is non-terminating means infinite decimals are there after that. That is called irrational. So the best example is pi. Okay? That's it. We'll do in the next class.